शहीद मिल्लत शॉर्ट हैंड इंस्टीट्यूट में क्लास थर्ड की जो है वो टाइपिंग टेस्ट लिया जा रहा है और इसमें हम ये चेक करते हैं कि स्टूडेंट की कितनी टाइपिंग है। इसी के साथ साथ हम शॉर्ट हैंड क्लास में जाते हैं।
determine the harmful effect of such products in 2008. The World Health Organization has warned marketers not to market e-cigarettes or the nicotine containing liquid. They include India, Mexico, Thailand, Qatar and many others in Pakistan. The vamping trend never caught on a large scale due to the heavy price tag attached to vamping advices compared to the much cheaper price tag on cigarettes and chewing tobacco. However, at least until more information can be provided and clinical tests carried out, there should be strict restriction on vamping and vamping products in Pakistan. Administrative tussles, intra-bureaucracy tussles are prevalent wherever bureaucracies exist, as institutions designed to both conserve and perpetuate existing patterns and orders of social activity. Bureaucracies are wedded to how power is distributed and operationalized. This ensures that conflict is inevitable whenever